Hey everybody, it stormed like a huge storm last night, so we're gonna go outside and see what we see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's a whiteout out here. Everything. Oh, well, look at that. I can't open the door anymore. The snow's too deep. So this is where we are in the basement. Gonna come out. Normally this is a little bit of a step down, but not today. All right, here's our first challenge. Right outside the basement door is a snowdrift of 1 foot 8 inches. Crazy.
You can see the snowdrift that's up near the house. I've heard of crop circles, but I've never seen a snow circle. That's where the wind has just blown it away last night. And
blew it all up there, I guess.
Yep, blew it all up there. This is why we had to come out the basement door. We are out in the elements snowshoeing, aren't we?
Yes, we are. We have to. We'd be stuck inside.
I used to think snowshoes was a novelty until I got stuck in the backyard one day and realized that my leg didn't lift higher than my hip. So I crawled back into the house, and once I dried off in the house, I ordered a pair of LL Bean snowshoes.
That very day.
That very day.
Hey, it's Muffin. Just gonna share with you something I just learned in the snowshoes. If you want to maybe head in another direction, it takes quite some doing. So this is what you gotta do. You have to move 1 foot and then move another. And then move this foot a little bit, move another. And then all the while, all we're doing is turning. Now that was a quarter turn. And that took about 6 steps. So imagine if I wanted to go that way. Who knew you had to take like 5-point turns in snowshoes? I didn't. Tim went to see how much snow's on the roof. What'd you see?
A good portion of it slid off.
Oh, good.
And with the sunlight coming out, the rest of it will probably come off here pretty soon. All of it has fallen off the garage.
That's good. This has been quite a workout just getting to the door.
We had the power go out for about 2 hours last night. And so we got candles, camp light, turned the propane heater on, and had a cozy little time.
Yes, we did. I hope you can hear us in all this wind. Of course, it's also windy. Welcome to Maine.
See that pretty little shelf?
Oh, yeah.
So there you go.
Things you have to do to get inside. Or at least make it to the shovels. Oh, that's ridiculous. Oh.
Well, at least it's taken down.
That is really deep.
I don't know that I want this down, but
That's okay, I can cut it out. Thank God that there's rails. That is quite a step. You are gonna make it.
Well, I feel tall.
So that snow is up over the steps and everything there at the door.
Hello, short pilgrims.
So Tim is heading to the garage. Look how far down his legs go in the snow, even with the snowshoes. It is crazy deep. And you heard it right, I did fall already.
But it is so much easier, even though it doesn't look like it. It is so much easier with snowshoes than it would be without.
Oh yeah, because you're probably standing on a foot and you just have a foot above your snowshoe versus 2 feet deep. Okay, so I gotta make a bit of a turn to keep seeing Tim.
Luckily, all the snow's gone off the garage.
Here he goes. 5:30 in the afternoon, and Tim has been out here for over 5 hours clearing the driveway. The snow is so deep he wasn't able to make his normal piles, so he had to pile everything, all the snow, to the side of the driveway. Look how deep this is. He's done an amazing job. I'm able to walk down the driveway. Now, in order to get out of the house today, we had to come out with the snowshoes and everything. But now, because he cleared it all, just walk out here. Look at there. It's almost done, I think.
Well, we can get in and out now.
Oh my goodness, we can. You did amazing. I can just walk down here.
I just need you to undo the garage where the truck is so I can back a little bit of the snow out of there.
Okay.
But I wonder how many tons of snow I moved today.
I don't know. It's amazing. The pile all the way down the driveway here is taller than me on this one side. Anyway, I'll let you get at it. I'll open the garage door.
Okay. Thanks.
Uh-huh. You know, yesterday evening when we went, before all the snow, it was snowing, but it wasn't deep like this. We thought, oh, it'll be cool if it snows 2 feet like they're calling for. You know, that'll be cool. Well, I don't know about Tim, but I did not think about the hardship of just 2 feet of snow. And we didn't even get the 2 feet of snow. We got 1.5 feet. But, you know, having to dig us out of the house even. Tim had to climb the mountain of snow on the deck here at the ramp, even to get to the shovels, because we usually leave them propped there at the door. So all I did was clear this little walkie path, but you can look down there and see that the grill, this pile of snow is over higher than the grill. And then down here where the snow fell off the roof. There's a big clumpy pile right there, but tons of snow. My bird feeders are almost touching that snow, that little blue one. So you know the snow's deep there. And that's a little hill right there. Anyway, Tim wants me to open the garage door, so I'm gonna get at it.